Hi, it's Steve here from County Garage SEAT, and in this short video I'm going to show you how you can make your electric folding wing mirrors fold in automatically when you lock the car. First thing you need to do is go into the media system and push on the picture of the car, second one up on the right, and then when you're in there, if you go to the settings button, which is at the bottom of the touchscreen, and then if you go down using the dial on the right hand side and select the one that says mirrors and wipers, that one there, either by touching the line itself, or you can push that button there as like an enter button, pushing it in. First one there, it says fold in when locking the vehicle. So if you select that, you'll notice there's a tick in the box. And then now, when you come out and you lock the car, you'll now find that the wing mirrors, if I tab across, so if I lock the doors, hey presto. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.